Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've posted a video. I've just been a little busy. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I recently launched my shop on Etsy, so I've kind of been a little preoccupied with that, but I'm back this week with a process video. It's a 9x12 page. I'll be using the collection I just launched on my Etsy shop, so I'll talk about that more in the video. So as I said, this page is a 9x12 Project Life page. This spread is from 2019, I think. Another Disney trip, of course. They all kind of blend together at some point. So I have to really think back to what these pages are actually from. But I'm using my collection that I just dropped on my Etsy shop, which is so crazy to say. I've been working on this for a couple months now, just kind of dreaming up what I want to release. I've always wanted to release my own scrapbooking scrapbooking line, and I never really thought I could do it. And then one day I just kind of decided, you know what, I'm gonna go for it and just see what happens. So that's what all the supplies I'm using are from. I came up with a collection called Days Like These. It came with 4 4x6 cards, 16 3x4 cards, and some stickers and die cuts and stuff, which I made myself at home. Printed on my printer, so it's been like a labor of love. Pretty time consuming, but really fun, and I'm really happy I did it. It's not a very themed collection. It's all very kind of neutral, lots of like muted greens, some like mustard yellows, some pinks, and lots of black and gray. Pretty much everything I normally gravitate toward, but just I made it myself. So if you like that style, which is pretty much what I usually use on my videos, then I would definitely say check it out. I did release some physical kits when I launched last weekend, but those actually sold out really fast, and I was like really overwhelmed with the response, and I'm very grateful. So if you grabbed a kit, thank you so much. But I still have digital available. Everything that I released physically is out digitally. I have the cards in one set, and then I have a PDF with all the stickers and die cuts. You can print them out and cut them out yourself, and all the individual PNGs are available as well. So I'll have a link to my Etsy shop down in my description, and you can check it out there. As far as the page goes, as you can see, it came together pretty quickly. I wanted to make cards that were like pretty versatile and just kind of matched. They weren't like overly themed. They kind of just go with everyday stuff. So you can use them for pretty much any season, any event. Lots of blacks and grays, which you know I gravitate toward. I really love that, I guess like that diamond card on the right side, just because I love black and white patterns. And then I'm using just some labels that I made. They fit a date stamps, like just the date part perfectly. So I really wanted to make sure I made those because I'm always looking for something like that to use on my pages. And then I'm trying to do some more journaling, as I always say. So I'm gonna throw some journaling on this little, I guess it's like a paint splattery, watercolory looking card. I'm just tying in the rest of the colors. I really liked the cards for this page because you have some of the greens and just really like nice neutrals. So I wanted to bring some of that into the cards as well. Also, I apologize if I sound super stuffy because my allergies are like out in full force. I was fine for a while, and then all of a sudden it just like hit me like a truck, and like the past 2 days I've been like low-key dying and just like sniffling, and my eyes are just like constantly on fire. So yeah, I like used to try and take like Claritin or any kind of allergy medication, and nothing ever worked for me. I felt no effect, and I just was still scratching my eyes and still sneezing every 5 seconds. So it sucks. If anyone else is suffering from allergies, you know, I feel you, I got you, and it will be over soon, hopefully. I really love the die cuts that I came out with for this collection. I have like a few word strips, which you know I love my word strips. Just really simple hearts, and like I really love that little speech bubble with the black and white hearts. I just think it's so cute. But yeah, I don't know if I really hinted about making a shop on here, but I definitely talked about it on Instagram, and I felt kind of bad because I was just so excited that I couldn't stop talking about it, and I feel like that's all I posted for a while. But yeah, this is kind of what I've been working on for the past couple months. So if I've been like distracted in videos and not giving 100% to my videos, that's because I've just been doing this. But yeah, so if you want to check out my shop, it's just julimakesthings.etsy.com, I think. And like I said, the physical kits are out, but the digitals are still available. And then I'm going to be doing a shop update toward the end of May. And there will be more physical kits available then. So follow me on Instagram, favorite the shop on Etsy, and then I don't know if you get notifications if I post new things, but you'll be able to find there. And I'll make an announcement for like the date for when I update the shop. As you can see, I'm just kind of finishing up this page here. I'm going to use these cork stars from Studio Calico, I think. The pointy part of my liquid glue is totally clogged, and I think it's because I tend to just leave it open like an idiot, and so it dries out. So I'd use like the chubbier end on the bottom, and I almost got glue everywhere, but that's okay. I have to sneeze. Hold on. Never mind, I didn't sneeze. Don't you hate that when you just like know, like the feeling comes and then it just goes away? Just like so unsatisfying, and I just hate it. I feel so like stuffy right now. It's the worst. What am I doing now? I think I'm just trying to figure out what I want to add. I want to bring some of that like orangey yellow color up to that top left part of the page, because you have some in that bottom right picture of our like cinnamon roll, and then I think that label is that orangey yellowy mustard color. So I have these banners that I'm going to use just to bring some of that color up to the top of the page and make it more balanced. Yeah, and I really love these tiny banners. I feel like they're really good for just finishing off the page and just having that extra pop of color that you might need. I'm still debating on whether I think I made them too small or not. So I don't know. If anyone bought the physical kits, let me know what you think when you get them. Definitely want feedback for anyone who bought the physical ones, so I can adjust and figure out what I can do better for the next one. So yeah, let me know. I think that's pretty much it for this page. I think this came out really nice, really balanced. I like the little bits of like the star and the enamel dots. I think it just helps give the page a little bit more texture and dimension. But yeah, here are the detail shots. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I talked about in this video. I'll have links down in the description to the Etsy shop. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already, and subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.